There are 3 imposters
this
amongst
time?
us.
3?
There's 3 sussy boxers. There's 3 sussy boxers amongst us.
Why am I not?
Right?
Wait, we have to call a meeting with them now. I knew it. Where did the 2 imposters? Make it fair. Those my 3rd time being
two
imposter,
are
guys.
one.
I don't want 3
I hate
second
that.
rounds.
Whoever gets purple is a goat.
I was 3rd time being a
Come on,
imposter.
come on.
Oh man, I'm not an imposter.
Why didn't you change it to... And the game's over.
This game's... Run! Everyone stay away from each other! Run! Wait 6 seconds, come on, get it! Come on, quick. 2, 1. 3, 2. I go purple,
Okay,
it's
our
purple.
best
Okay,
job
guys,
is
can
to
we
vote
let my
someone
friend
else.
go?
What the hell did I do?
It's purple. It's purple.
Okay, everybody
Brown.
Brown's
Brown's been
Purple's
imposter literally every single time, so it's brown.
Yeah, it's brown.
It has to be brown.
Vote brown.
Shouldn't be
He
assuming.
Yeah, it has
He
to be
keeps
brown
being
because
it.
he's been imposter like 3 times in a row.
Yeah, true. That's his. I don't trust
So his
Brown
odds
anymore.
are higher.
Brown. It's brown.
Okay, wait. I swear the one time we
not it.
actually vote brown, it's not gonna be brown.
Exactly. That's true.
Maybe.
Because I'm not it.
Also, can we let my friend join next round?
Yeah,
sure. Okay, just vote me.
Yeah, it's just we start the match before they.
Hey, everybody
before
vote.
they join.
Come in, I'm about to...
What?
Bye bye, guys. Hope.
What?
I swear, if he's not the imposter,
I swear. What?
you've got to be kidding me.
Okay, that's
Round
crazy.
over.
Yay!
Okay,
I
we're
hope
turning
you
it back
guys-
to 2.
I hope
We are
you
turning it
guys
back to 2.
I told you purple
Oh.
was it. Sorry, guys.
Oh, that's hilarious!
Can't be invited. Okay.
That's hilarious!
The one time they let me invite my friend can't come. Hold on.
Got you.
Invite 2 of your friends.
Oh! Okay. I'm just gonna shut up now.
Did someone like turn off invites or something?
Let me try.
Did someone like turn off invites or something? Because it won't
No,
let me
I-
invite. Oh, there we go. Alright, it's sent.
Okay, bet. I'm messing with the channels. Wait, who's red? Who's red?
It's red. It's red.
Alright.
It's red.
How is it red?
I'm gonna go this
my god, what do
Why?
you want? No dead bodies, what do you want? How is it me? I think
Yo,
it's
mom. Like, how will we
Hey,
vote
yo,
him because he's
it's
randomly
actually
accusing without evidence?
Joe, mama.
Yeah, he's randomly accusing without evidence. So I think, actually, no, we can't just get rid of each other.
I think it's
I got
Skip,
too hasty.
but he's
Let's just
accusing
skip
me.
vote. Skip
Yeah,
vote.
skip. I don't.
I swear, if you vote someone though, we are voting you out next if you vote
No,
someone.
it
next.
wasn't. There was not even a body. There was not even a body.
But I'm green.
I think it's great. He's accusing.
Oxygen. Plus 0.
It's O2. It's O2.
Right. This side. What the heck?
No, I was so close.
I didn't even get
I was
one
just one away.
I didn't even get the kill. Oh,
See,
man.
dum dum.
Now, hold
See,
on.
dum dum. Are you dumb? I'm laying down, bro. He actually thought it was me.
Trump invites again. Did it finally work? There we go.
Hello. Is your friend in? Red.
What?
Can I have your color?
Nice
Can I have your color?
hat, Jones. Thank you.
Can I have your color?
No.
Fine.
Plus, that is the perfect. That's what? Oh, hold on.
We should wait for 2 more people.
Wait, hold on.
We
I'm
should
inviting
wait
my.
2 or 3 little people. Why? What's that? Yeah, exactly.
Start.
Wait,
Let's
can there
start.
be 2 imposters?
Let's
Can there
start.
be 2 imposters? Can there be 2 imposters?
We have enough players. No, V2 imposters bring us to the game.
We need 2 imposters. At least.
There are 3 imposters among us. Are you serious? 3 imposters
really?
are when there's like 10 or maybe 7 people.
Yeah, unless there's 10.
YouTube. Yeah. Say hi to YouTube. What? I'm gonna do some
Already.
I know.
Oh,
Clap it! Already?
Pink just killed.
Already.
I just saw a body. I just saw a body. It's not.
Who
I
killed
saw a
him?
body too. I saw a body too.
Who just
I was
killed
about,
Do you have any
about
sus?
to go
Do you ha-
over here, but
Do you have any sus?
someone.
Pink, guys, we don't have evidence.
Okay,
Guys,
let
don't
me
have
explain.
evidence.
you
Let
have-
me
you have
explain what I
self-ordered.
saw. Let me explain what I
Pink,
saw.
do you agree to that?
Let me explain what I saw.
Everybody,
Be quiet. Let me explain
Raymond
what I
is
saw.
self-reported. I
You
just
know
scored
that
it.
you're, that you're
No,
on
I
mute.
didn't. And let me explain what I did.
Yeah, he does.
Let me explain what people did. So all I saw was, so I was walking out of the room like this, right? doing like, and then I saw Green the body right here on the floor,
Make
and then I was like, so I'm not sure. Pink, I don't want to use that.
sus.
Pink, why are you saying what happened? I wish I got to kill someone though.